When it comes to increasing your home's value, few improvements offer the same level of return on investment as replacing old windows. In New Orleans, where the humid subtropical climate, frequent storms, and historical architecture add unique challenges and opportunities, investing in new windows can make a significant difference. Not only can this enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but it can also contribute to energy savings, comfort, and long-term durability. Here's how installing new windows can boost your home's value in New Orleans. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the top reasons homeowners in New Orleans should consider replacing their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or damaged seals, often let in drafts and allow warm air to escape during the cooler months, while also letting heat in during the hot, sticky summer months. This can result in higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Newer windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fill, which can significantly reduce heat transfer. This helps keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing the need for air conditioning and heating. Over time, the energy savings can add up, making the initial investment in new windows a smart financial decision. Moreover, energy-efficient windows are a selling point for future buyers. In a market like New Orleans, where residents are accustomed to the heat and humidity, homes that feature energy-efficient upgrades will likely stand out to prospective buyers, potentially boosting the home's value. Enhancing curb appeal. New windows can have an immediate and noticeable effect on the curb appeal of your home. In a city like New Orleans, known for its beautiful historic architecture, a stylish set of windows can help accentuate your home's exterior while adding a modern touch. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary designs for a modern home or classic, wood frame windows to complement a traditional New Orleans cottage, the right windows can give your home a polished, updated look. Moreover, curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a great first impression. When potential buyers drive by or visit your home, new windows will give them confidence that the home has been well maintained and cared for. This can increase the likelihood of a quicker sale at a higher price. Protection from the elements. New Orleans is no stranger to extreme weather conditions. Hurricanes, heavy rain, and high winds are common, and having durable windows can provide an extra layer of protection. Many modern windows come with storm-resistant features, such as impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames, which can minimize the risk of damage during severe weather events. By installing windows that are built to withstand the elements, you're not only enhancing your home's resilience but also reassuring potential buyers that your home is safe and secure. This added protection could be a key selling point for families or individuals looking for a home that can handle the unpredictable New Orleans weather. Improved comfort and noise reduction. And another benefit of replacing your windows is the enhanced comfort they provide. Modern windows are designed to be more soundproof than older models, making them ideal for reducing the noise from busy streets or neighboring properties. This is especially important in New Orleans, where some areas are bustling with activity, music, and crowds. New windows help create a quieter and more serene living space, which can be particularly appealing to buyers looking for peace and tranquility in the heart of the city. Additionally, advanced window designs also improve thermal comfort by reducing hot or cold spots inside your home. This creates a more pleasant living environment, which not only increases your enjoyment but also adds to the overall value of your property. Increased home security. Older windows with outdated locks or broken seals can be an easy target for burglars. In contrast, new windows come equipped with modern security features such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced glass. These added security measures can give you peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected. For potential buyers, homes with improved security features can be a major selling point, particularly for those with families or those concerned about safety. Conclusion. Replacing your windows in New Orleans is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment that can boost your home's value in multiple ways. From enhancing energy efficiency and lowering utility bills to improving curb appeal and increasing comfort, new windows offer long-term benefits that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Given the unique climate and weather challenges of New Orleans, new windows also provide enhanced protection, noise reduction, and security. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve the quality of life in your home, upgrading your windows is one of the smartest ways to increase your home's value and appeal in the vibrant New Orleans market.